this lathe for so long and trying to get it all lined up and ready to use, I thought this would be a good time to just take some test cuts on a little scrap of aluminum. I'll show you what I'm doing now. I'm using the hand wheel that I've added on, a mod that I read about on the Lathemaster Yahoo group many years ago, probably 10 or 12 years ago. Got the half nut locks, and I'm just feeding this in. I'm taking a 26 thousandths depth of cut on this little chunk of aluminum, and I'm in the max torque setting. It's pretty slow, probably only a few hundred RPM, which I'm sure is way too slow for aluminum. And of all things, I've got a carbide cutter in there, which of course is way overkill for this operation, but I've actually cut it off a little bit. Anyway, it's giving a nice cut. I just couldn't resist taking a little test cut with this thing and see what's going on. Undo the half nuts, not to worry about that, and cut the power off. But you can see, I mean, very nice finish. Usually I like to use high-speed steel tools, if you've noticed from my other videos, when I'm machining softer metals like aluminum or brass. So I'll get some high-speed steel and set up in this thing, but just for some odd reason I had a carbide tool set in there, and it was set exactly at the right height for the lathe. You know, a lot of people don't like these tool posts, the four-way tool posts. I actually like them a great deal. My buddy Russ gave me an extra one of his because he had converted over to a quick change tool post. But my idea is eventually, when I'm using this lathe a lot, I'll be able to put a lot of my favorite tools in the four-way and then just flip them around from tool to tool. So anyway, a little bit of actual machining and the Lathemaster 8x14. It works lovely, and keep watching. I'll keep you posted.